The Supreme Court expressed strong dissatisfaction with the rising air pollution in Delhi-NCR, focusing on stubble burning in Punjab and Haryana. During the hearing, the Punjab and Haryana Chief Secretaries appeared. The court criticized the Punjab government for failing to act against stubble burning and suggested prosecuting officials responsible. A bench of Justice Abhay S. Oka, Ahsanuddin Amanullah and Augustine Georgie Massey demanded the name of a Punjab officer who falsely claimed that a proposal for funding tractors and drivers had been sent to the central government, threatening a contempt notice. Punjab's lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi stated that 44 cases had been registered for stubble burning. However, the court questioned why minimal fines were imposed on most offenders and noted that penalties had not been collected from many, implying leniency towards lawbreakers. Similarly, the court criticized the Haryana government's effort to superficial, despite claims of reducing stubble burning cases. The bench questioned the accuracy of their figures and stated that reduced cases might reflect underreporting. The Air Quality Management Commission reported 1,289 stubble burning incidents in Punjab and 601 in Haryana between September 15 and October 17, highlighting both states' failure to prevent it. Justice Oka also criticized the central government's lack of an effective system, noting that the Environment Protection Act had lost its strength. The government promised to implement stricter penalties within 10 days. The next hearing is set for November 4th, with all parties required to file affidavits before then. The Supreme Court adjourned the hearing of petitions seeking to criminalize marital rape, citing the likely inability to reach a verdict before the retirement of Chief Justice DY Chandrachud, who leads the bench. The hearing, which began on October 17th, includes Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra. During the session, several lawyers, including senior advocate Gopal Shankar Narayanan, requested more time to present their arguments. Chief Justice DY Chandrachud indicated that if the debate isn't completed by this week, the case would need to be heard by a new bench after his retirement on November 10, 2024, as the court will be closed for Diwali next week. Despite suggestions for faster coordination, the Chief Justice emphasized that all lawyers must be allowed to present their arguments. A special court in Saharanpur has framed charges against Congress MP Imran Masood for a controversial statement he made during the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. In a speech in Lapkari village, Masood remarked that while Muslims make up 4% of Gujarat's population, they constitute 42% in Saharanpur, and made derogatory remarks against PM Modi. The video of the statement went viral. 19 villagers testified in court, leading to the charges being framed. Masood, who was then contesting on Congress ticket, also made objectionable remarks about two Bahujan Samaj Party MLAs. A police complaint was launched against him in March 2014 for violating the Election Code of Conduct and using casteist language. Following an investigation, a charge sheet was filed under several sections of the Indian Penal Code, the SC/SC Act, and the Representation of the People Act. Controversial Islamic preacher Zakir Naik has withdrawn his petition from the Supreme Court seeking to combine the FIRs filed against him in multiple states over his remarks on Lord Ganesha. Naik's lawyer informed the bench led by Justice Abhay S. Oka that he now intends to seek relief through different high courts. The court accepted this request. Previously, on October 16, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had argued that Naik's petition was inadmissible, questioning how a declared fugitive could file a petition under Article 32 of the Constitution. Naik, who had made a controversial Facebook post about Lord Ganesha in 2012, faced 5 FIRs in states including Maharashtra and Gujarat. In 2013, he petitioned the Supreme Court to consolidate the cases and prevent his arrest. The court has issued a notice and imposed an interim stay on his arrest, which remains in place. The Supreme Court has overturned its previous ruling and rejected the centre's authority to regulate the production of industrial alcohol. An 8:1 majority of the 9-judge Constitution bench ruled that the power to the legislate on industrial alcohol lies with the states, reversing an earlier decision by a 7-judge bench. The court emphasized that the state government's right to make laws on this matter cannot be taken away. Justice B.V. Nagaratna dissented, supporting the centre's regulatory power. The case also addressed whether industrial alcohol, which is not safe for consumption and primarily used as a solvent in industries like pharmaceutical and chemicals, can be classified as an intoxicant under state control. The Delhi High Court has denied the regular bail plea of Shah Rukh Pathan, accused of pointing a gun at a policeman during the 2020 Northeast Delhi riots. Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma issued the order, which relates to an FIR filed at Zafrabad police station. Pathan's action during the riots, including images of him pointing the gun, went viral on social media. Previously, the trial court also rejected his bail on December 14th, stating there was no grounds for his release. Watch our special programs and share the videos to stay updated with daily court proceedings.